We need a CPA firm.
Which CPA firm?
Doesn't matter, any CPA firm. It doesn't matter, any glasses. Doesn't matter, any suit. Doesn't matter, any car. It doesn't matter, any lawyer.
Maybe we should have called Honkamp Krueger.
On second thought, let's call Honkamp Krueger.
Honkamp Krueger, rated one of the nation's top 100 CPA firms. We're in the business of helping yours. HK, not just any CPA firm.
We are not just any CPA firm. Honkamp Krueger believes that we make a difference. We wouldn't come to work every day if it was just about the profit. That's a result of what everyone does. We try to make a difference in people's lives, our clients' lives, our communities, and that's really important to us.
We're not just any CPA firm.
We're entrepreneurs ourselves, and we really try to get to know our businesses. We're willing to adapt to each individual business.
We're not just any CPA firm.
I think Honkamp Krueger is always looking ahead, asking questions, and doing the right things for our clients as it relates to what their goals are, what their dreams and aspirations are, and what makes them tick.
In the last 10 years, I've seen a huge change in the accounting profession. When I first started, the big push was to go from manual records to QuickBooks. And now people think that they can prepare their own financial statements and that the traditional accounting service has less value. So what we've recognized is that clients really want something more. They really want somebody to be able to tell them what the numbers mean and what to do with them, not just to reproduce them on paper.
We help our clients develop a roadmap to their success. And each client is different. We need to work with that client. We need to find out what their high priorities are, what their needs are, and then help give them the ability to measure how they're progressing towards their goals. Our role is to sort of be their coach and to help them through the process.
We're a large enough organization that we have deep expertise in the services that we provide, yet we're small enough that we can be flexible and adjust easily to what a company needs, whether that be audit services, tax services, human resources, payroll, general business consulting.
I think the big differentiator working with an HK versus other larger firms is you're going to have a broad base of exposure covering a lot of different service lines versus larger firms, which is very typically a much more narrow focus. I think that's a benefit of working with an HK is you're going to get to see a lot of different things from the family of companies within Honkamp Krueger.
We're in the business of helping businesses achieve their goals and work on their goals. And by helping the business achieve their goals, we're helping their families achieve their family goals. It helps the community because if you have a strong business in the community, it's only going to help to have those businesses thriving in that community.
I think what we're trying to do is instill the longevity of that client. We're looking to make sure that that is a business that's in the community for years to come, create those legacies.
Something that makes Honkamp Krueger unique is our Level 5 service model, which we think is really an exciting, innovative type approach to helping clients.
So there's going to be a lot more collaboration between the accountant and their client. Less of a reliance on compliance and more to a consultative approach, really to make sure that they're getting to know the client personally and looking for ways to better serve the client's needs.
Honkamp Krueger has been recognized as one of the top 100 CPA firms in the country, as well as one of the fastest growing firms in the country, and this year we were named one of the best CPA firms in the United States. Those are all great accolades, and we're humbled by those because it really does tell us that we're in the right direction and moving in the right direction. We owe that to our customers as well as our great employee base.
A lot of firms are good at the technical side, the debits and the credits. And there's some firms that are good at being a relationship firm and a business partner. There are very few firms that have both. At Honkamp, I get both. I get to be that business partner to my clients, that advisor who gets to share in their success, who gets to help drive their results. Boy, that's a lot more rewarding than being a technician.
People do business with us for the number one reason. It's because of our people. It's because it's the business owner to the business owner type speak. And when you can have a relationship with an advisor that can help take you there, can help chart that course, and who actually listens to what you want, that's a powerful relationship.
I think it's important for clients to understand if they're not getting the level of service and value that they deserve and think they should have, they need to look a different direction. And I think Honkamp Krueger works really, really hard on digging deep into client relationships, getting to know our customers, and helping them run their business better. It's the value-added services that make the difference, in my opinion. And I really think that that's where we have the knowledge base and the real expertise that makes us different. We'd be honored to be your CPA firm and consultants. It's what we do it really well, and we'd like to have you be our next customer.